Meanwhile, hundreds of COVID warriors from various paramilitary forces who have recovered from coronavirus are now queuing up in different parts of the country to donate their plasma for other serious COVID patients who are currently undergoing treatment. Head Constable Manjeet Singh from the CRPF is one of them. He says he donated plasma after he came to know from NDTV that a lady in ventilator in Gangaram Hospital needed plasma. He went to hospital to get his checks done and then donated his plasma. Remember, NDTV is also campaigning and asking its viewers and others who have recovered from coronavirus to come forward and help save lives by donating plasma. Neeta joining us at this point with more. Neeta, paramilitary forces already on the front line in so many places, now taking the lead in this plasma donation campaign as well.
Absolutely, Ankita. You know, about 3,000 CRPF Jawans, who are also known as Corona Warriors, were originally infected with this coronavirus, but now 2,000 of them have recovered, and many of them, you know, now are coming forward for donating plasma. Some of them were also contacted by NDTV and they came forward and they donated plasma. Manjeet Singh is one of them. In fact, you know, DG CRPF, Mr. AP Maheshwari, has given a congratulatory message to also Mr. Manjeet Singh. He says, it gives me immense pride and pleasure to mention that the names of our three COVID warriors who have voluntarily donated their plasma recently to save corona positive patients, and Manjeet Singh is one of them. And he has also asked other Jawans also to come forward to save their own countrymen. It was a message which was sent out by his name to all the paramilitary, all the CRPF Jawans. In fact, the paramilitary has the ADG Medical who provides the medical assistance to all the paramilitary forces. When NDTV contacted him also, he was also of the viewpoint that this is a very good initiative and the paramilitary forces would like to be part of it. Delhi Police Commissioner has also agreed that whenever there is a need and if NDTV has some kind of a patient who needs some kind of an attention, then if plasma is available with some constable, because even in Delhi Police, many constables and many officers have been, you know, declared corona positive, and they have also defeated corona, very successfully. I spoke to some of the Jawans also. They were saying that, you know, the best part is just to boost up your immunity levels and also to stay positive. CISF Jawans, many of the CISF Jawans also, you know, tested positive in CISF in Mumbai airport also. They have also defeated corona and now they're back on duties. So it's a very well thought of, initiative by the paramilitary Jawans and by the entire corona warrior, community who are coming forward to help people in need. Ankita?
All right.